moving on. Next, Huzzy says, what do you do for the basic GBP SEO front-end services that you offer? We do on-page optimization for the GBP. That's a one-off service. And then we do Yext power listings, although that is likely going to change to a different provider because Yext, the Yext service provider through SEMrush that I've used, they more than doubled their price for the same fucking service. It went from $20 a month to $50 a month. And so I'm not going to use that service anymore. I'm going to find an alternative. Anyways, currently it is on-page optimization for the GBP, the profile itself. We do Yext power listings, excuse me. And then we do a weekly Google business profile post. That's it. We'll do a G site, excuse me. As part of the on-page optimization, the profile optimization, we do a Google site, so sites.google.com. We do a mirrored site, call that content mirroring, right? There's SOPs in the mastermind for specifically how we do that. But that's because, remember, if all we're doing is Google Business Basic SEO, we're not touching their website, right? So we're not optimizing their site. We're not touching their site. We're not building them a site. All we're doing is optimizing their GBP. So if their website is junk, which a lot of times it is, or it's not optimized properly, whatever, then we need to have an asset that we can use. So we use the Google site for that, which is why we will mirror the structure of their main website into a Google site, but we will make structural corrections in the G site. Now the G site is now available as a link building target for when and if they decide to ascend to a high level campaign with me, a higher level service, in which case we like a full SEO plan, which will include link building. Now the G site is already built and the G site becomes a link building target, right? A primary link building target. So hopefully that makes sense. It's a very basic offer. Guys, look, do this. Go to gbp.treecarehq.com. You can see exactly what I sell. Right there. Right there. Okay? That's what I sell for Google Business Basic SEO. You want to see the review service? Go to reviews.treecarehq.com. Okay? That's the review service. We have the LLG sites, right? Websites, websites.treecarehq.com. Right there, local lead generation website. Right? We have the AI appointment assistant, which I believe I call that canopycall.treecarehq.com. HQ.com. Boom. There's my 4 front-end services, guys. In this order, we do it. LLG sites, Google Business Basic SEO, Shaking the Bushes, which is the reactivation and review service. That's what I call it for tree care contractors. Why? Because when you shake, I always made a joke about shaking the bushes, right? You shake bushes and money falls out. So that's why. It's a reactivation campaign. We're going to contact your old customers, your past customers, and we're going to re-engage them. It's both list reactivation and reviews management. And then we have the AI appointment assistant, which I call for tree care contractors. It's called Canopy Call Appointment Assistant. Okay. There you go. Those are our services.